Every Porsche is a dream come true. At Porsche Exclusive Manufaktur, we take these dreams to the extreme. From the very beginning, through passionate craftsmanship, attention to detail, the highest standards of material and exclusive refinement, we create the most personal car. And since it's not just design and appearance that we are constantly refining, our know-how even flows into functional adaptation and highly innovative production technologies. Our vision? A seat, just as individual as its driver. The result? A new full bucket seat that catapults you directly into pole position. The secret behind the new seating comfort is a modular construction. The seat is upholstered in perforated race tex, which has excellent grip and offers excellent support. A comfort layer produced by 3D printing is hidden underneath. And finally, a base support, embedded in a full bucket seat. We love what we do and are constantly challenging ourselves. For example, by expanding our knowledge of traditional craftsmanship with new production technology, this offers us completely new possibilities. You don't reach new heights following old paths. Therefore, we unite two apparent opposites: maximum functionality and individual design. The low seating position typical of motorsport ensures a seating experience similar to racing, for even more intensive contact with the road. Improved lateral stability thanks to side bolsters and thigh support ensures an especially safe and comfortable seat feeling. Another advantage is that there is no material fatigue, which leads to an enhanced ability to regain its original shape. Thanks to the perforated surface and lattice structures of the 3D printed padding, passive ventilation is provided. In short, it provides an even more exclusive driving adventure and even more emotion per trip. Don't wait any longer. Test a completely new seating experience.